Most people assume water is safe, because it looks clean, clear, odorless, normal, and that's usually enough. But that assumption is where what makes water safe to drink things get complicated. Because safe water isn't defined by how it looks. It's defined by what you can't see. At first, safety seems simple. No strange taste. No visible particles. No immediate reaction. So people trust it. They drink it every day, without thinking twice. But over time, something starts to feel uncertain. Not because something obvious happens, but because safety isn't always immediate. It's cumulative. And that's where confusion begins. Because what actually makes water safe isn't just one thing. It's a combination of factors. First, there's contamination. Bacteria, microorganisms, things that can cause immediate issues. These are the obvious threats. The ones people are most aware of. But they're not the only ones. There's also chemical content. Substances that don't cause instant symptoms, but may build up over time. And this is where things become less visible, because you won't necessarily feel it right away, which makes it harder to identify. Then there's infrastructure, pipes, storage systems, transport. Water can start clean, and change before it reaches you. And most people never think about that, because they only see the final result, not the journey. So now the definition of safe becomes less clear. It's not just about the source, it's about the entire path. And that's where uncertainty grows. Because people realize something important. They're trusting a system they don't fully control. And once that awareness appears, behavior starts to shift. Some people move to bottled water, because it feels more controlled, more sealed, more predictable. But that introduces new questions. Where does it come from? How is it processed? Is it actually different? Others turn to filters, trying to remove anything unwanted, which makes sense. But again, it's not absolute. Filters have limits. They require maintenance. They depend on proper use. So once again, people find themselves managing uncertainty, not eliminating it. And that's the turning point. The real issue isn't just what makes water safe. It's how much control do I actually have over what I'm drinking? Because safety isn't just a standard. It's a level of confidence. And that confidence changes depending on the method. Tap water, bottled water, filtered water. Each one offers a different version of safe. And each one comes with trade-offs. That's why more people are starting to rethink the question entirely. Not just looking for the safest option, but looking for something that feels consistent, reliable, understandable. Because at the end of the day, water only feels safe when you trust it. If you want to explore how some people are approaching this in a more practical and controlled way, there's a structured breakdown in the description that goes deeper into it. And if you're interested in content that breaks down everyday decisions like this with more clarity and realism, consider subscribing. Because once you question what safe really means, you start looking at everything differently.